How to blur a part of a video in the CapCut. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so now let's get started. First of all, you have to go on your CapCut, and here you have to select a video, and then you have to go on its effects. Here is the video effect. You have to select and blur effect which is suitable for your video. I am adding a vertical blur. You have to add a blur effect according to your video or the photo. After this, you have to add the same overlay of your photo or your video. Once you add the overlay, you have to adjust it. After that, you have to simply scroll on the right side, and here is the option of the mask. You have to click on it. Now as you can see, I am adding a circle mask, and here is the part which is not only blur in a circle, and all the part of a video is blur. You can also add a vertical, or there are many options which you want to add. So yeah, this is how you can blur a part of a video in the CapCut.